Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very nice recipe of pointed gourd. I have taken 5 of them and with the help of a knife I have scraped its skin very lightly. See how I'm doing it, and I also cut the ends. This recipe which I'll be showing to you today is called Potoler Dorma in West Bengal. Now with the help of a spoon I will take out the seeds and clean the inside of these pointed gourds. Now, 2 fishes taken, katla fish, and with a little haldi and salt, I'll put them in pressure. Once soft, I will take out all the bones and mash it and keep it aside. Some potatoes are taken and boiled and mashed and kept aside. A paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies is also prepared and kept aside. Now onions have been sliced and added to mustard oil, or you can use white oil also into the kadhai. Once the color of the onion changes a little, the mashed fish is added along with little salt, haldi and red chili powder, and the mixture is properly mixed. Flame is kept to medium and the whole mixture is stirred continuously so that it does not stick to the kadhai. Now I'll add the mashed potatoes to this mixture and I will keep stirring and keeping the flame to medium. This is to be done for some time till the mixture dries up a little and the color also becomes very yellow and nice. Now this is ready and this is the filling for the gourds that I'm going to make. Now with the help of a needle, I'll just prick the gourd on all sides. I will roll out small portions of the filling which I've just made, the fish filling, and I will put them inside the hollow area of the gourd. See how I'm doing it. This is a very traditional Bengali recipe and I remember my mother making this a lot for us. Now the gourds have been filled very nicely with the filling and now it is to be fried. If you wish, you can cover the mouth of this gourd with little atta, but I'm not doing it. I'll just fry them as it is. People who are vegetarian can make the same recipe using potatoes or any other vegetable as filling. I have used fish, but that doesn't mean that you cannot make it in the vegetarian way. Now, keeping the flame little low, I am frying these gourds in oil. While frying, you have to be a bit careful so that the filling doesn't come out. Now the gourds are ready to be served with ketchup. It is a very good snack item for children as well as adults. Try it and see, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching.